In this video, I will show you how to solve this issue, briefly unavailable for schedule maintenance issue in WordPress. Okay, one of my client website got this issue and I'm going to fix it. For that, I need to get access to the file manager. For your specific, hosting, you will find it, in a different places. But for me, it's, under HTTP docs, then the domain name. And here I get access to the of the, root of the website. So, if I refresh this page, you see, this error actually persists, okay? And it does not work anyway. So, this is the issue. All I need to, get access to the root of the, domain using the file manager or a FTP client, and then find this file dot maintenance, and I will just delete it. Okay. So now if I refresh this website, it will load. Okay. So everything looks perfect. Okay. And, that concludes, fixing the, briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance issue in the WordPress.